slicing it over cover. Absolutely safe and with good result.
Much better shot. Now then, this is going to cause one or two problems for Anderson. He's got no cover on the offside. The leg side fielders, and he can only have 3 of them, are on the leg side. Sorry, deep square leg, and it's long off now who goes out. Absolutely sensational strike.
He's got to be the cleanest hitter in the game. When he's on song, there is no better picture than abdurrazzaq. It was glorious, it was mighty, it was fruitful. It was glorious, it was mighty, it was fruitful. High and handsome for a great 6.
So Anderson under pressure then, 15 runs from the over so far. Goes Yorker length, and even that squeezed away.
Well, he's been heavily damaged in this over. All his good work coming to nothing. 19 runs conceded. Fuller length and finding the gap.
Gift in the end, it's well fielded. Should only be 2. Would have been a certain boundary, but for some excellence in the inner ring. So an expensive over then, 1 run. And that's very sensible batting from Umar Gul. Just opening up the offside. When he bowls to this man, they haven't got any answers as yet.
Wow, that was a scorcher. He's turning it on big time for Pakistan. Abdurrazzaq with a fantastic drive through the offside. Nobody moved. Hardly anyone moved. Full pitch delivery.
Six more, I think. I think it's gone all the way. No, it's just bounced 1 bounce, so it's more damage though for Razzaq. 250 up, 253 for 7.
The man is a master when it comes to big hitting through the offside, clearing the front leg.
Goes again. This time he gets a touch, fortunate, but it will race away again.
Unstoppable Razzaq. Crowds are delirious. Absolutely ecstatic. Dressing room now looking a little bit more involved and hopeful.
Pakistan will be very, very content with the position they're in.
Partnership now exactly 51, courtesy this brilliance from Abdurrazzaq, his 4th boundary of the 4 balls that he received.
So last ball of the innings then. And unsurprisingly, that will also go to the boundary for 4. Well, he just has to stand there in admiration, Bresnan. He's got expensive figures, they're delighted. Bresnan finishes 1 for 62, but the game has just been changed, turned on its head if you like. England would have been pretty happy going into that batting power play. They got the game in some semblance of control.